at the Red Caboose.
And I'm going to need a credit card.
I paid.
Yeah,
So it might, you need it to hold, or sometimes they do that.
no, you already paid it
Yeah.
in full, just for any incidental, but you don't use the credit card user. Basically, if something happens, but we'll have your information here.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to sign right here that you checked me in. Have you been here before?
No, I mean, yeah, just, but not for the motel,
Okay,
yeah.
all right, so let me do this here. All right, you're in number 5, okay? So this is where we are at the moment.
Okay.
The ice machine is right in the back of this building, there's a couple steps you go up there, you can park your car right here in front of you. Okay? Petting zoo, you're in town playground, or you're here for Wi-Fi access. Now, you're here. One right here. And if you haven't been, after hours, you come here, call someone, it'll be there. We'll go to different sites, or go to our site next time, and we don't when you get there. Okay? Anything you need, there's extra towels under the sink, no pets are smoking in the room.
Is there a restroom I can use right now?
Restroom?
Restroom.
Restroom's down here on the left.
Thank you.
All right.
Alright, come on, I gotta hold on to this.
I'm gonna study that. Thank you. Christmas shop. Oh, a lot of jams.
Oh, sorry, excuse me. How y'all doing?
Hi.
All right, thank you.
Let's see what's tight. Oh, they were going out there. Oh, no way. I don't know. I take one.
No.
Just take
Oh, I thought you were taking something away.
I take one.
Oh, of
Lancaster.
course.
Yeah, I'll take one. Yeah. We're going to the room now, right? You're not hungry now, right? Oh. Oh, so I thought you wanted to eat now. Can we go in here or no?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. The Christmas tree thing. Oh, they have Redskin. It's the Redskin stuff. Wanna see? Look. Look.
Okay, come on.
You drive or you can walk? To the room.
The restroom? Straight there to your left.
No, but that's not what we
Oh,
said.
I'm sorry.
But thanks
I
anyway.
thought everybody was like
Oh
looking for
my
the same thing.
Oh my god.
Thank you very much. Okay, come on. You got the paper?
Mm-hmm.
So we can get $5.
Yeah. Which way? So you were driving or walking?
Yeah, we gotta drive, man.
I don't know. Oh, there's no room key.
Fine. Down here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
You gotta drive down there?
Gotta drive, yes. Number 5.
Yeah, but I don't think.
That's That's what the lady said. Are you driving or park? She said just park. That's what the lady said. Yeah.
Oh, see, they park. See, like
Yeah, like that. You gotta park on the side because there's no driveway.
Oh, yeah. Free. Oh, it's over here. We gotta park.
We gotta find a room. Let's find a thing first.
This is where I found the caboose when I went to this restaurant with Nadia.
You went over here?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I walked over.
And that's how you told me about it?
Yeah. Well, here we are.
I thought you looked
Oh,
online.
what the fuck right there?
Yeah, well, let's go see first.
Oh, you want to take out pictures of everything?
Oh no, I'm recording. Yeah, you take it.
Yeah, we can fuck right
Yeah, I want to see the room. It's a key. Let me see. Oh, that's a key.
Five.
Oh, you see the thing?
Yeah, but this is old. This is like.
No, you see the map. Yeah.
Yeah,
Woo.
but this is like the old.
That's right there.
Yeah,